Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips into whatever we are trading tonight. So this is very important, so you guys can take advantage of the opportunity right away. So many people have done this, and of course they are making cashing out in a big way right from here. So if you are just joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can stay notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Mioka trade indicator. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend since it was unable to break out above it, so till it got to this region, had a pullback, went back down to break out below this support zone to create another support zone around there. It was unable to break out below this, so it started buying right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 started a downtrend right from here. You can see it selling till it got to this region, had a pullback, but it's going back down again to try out the support zone. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will start buying, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. So this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. So it will go back into a buying opportunity right from there. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It was on downtrend before, but got to this support zone 3 times, was unable to break out below it, so started buying right from there, bought till this level, and of course it's unable to break out above the resistance zone at the moment, so it is pulling back at the moment. So if it sells and breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more, but if it does not break out below this, it will go back to try out the resistance zone again to see if it will break out from there. So this is selling at the moment. It might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out below this support zone. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 was on downtrend before, but was unable to break out below this support zone, so it started buying right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Last asset is going to be V75. This is volatility 75. It started a downtrend right from here, got to this support zone, had a pullback, and of course went back there again, still unable to break out below the support zone, and of course it started buying right from there. And at the moment it is at this resistance zone also, where it's pulled back the other time. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will try out this support zone again, but once it breaks out from here, then it will keep on buying. But for now, this is still buying at the moment. But you guys should take note of every part of the analysis so that you will understand what to do each time it takes a decision. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God